The same Giraffe complaints appear again and again in user reviews, and understanding those patterns before you install the app can save you a lot of frustration. By the end of this video, you'll know the issues users report most often, and what you can do to reduce the chances of running into them. One of the most common complaints involves reward tracking. Some users say their progress doesn't update after playing an eligible game. In many cases, this happens when a game wasn't installed directly through Giraffe, or when tracking was interrupted. The safest approach is to launch every new game through the app, complete the installation from there, and avoid uninstalling or reinstalling the game while you're still working toward rewards. Another complaint is limited game availability. Giraffe doesn't display the same offers to every user. Your available games can vary depending on your device, region, and account. That means screenshots from another user may show offers that simply aren't available in your version of the app. Users also mention changing reward offers. A game that rewards new players today may disappear or offer different rewards later. Since promotions and available titles can change, it's a good idea to read the current offer details before starting a game, instead of relying on an older video or online post. Reward redemption is another area where complaints appear. Some users receive their rewards without issues, while others report delays or verification requests. If your reward doesn't arrive as expected, check that you completed the required tasks, allow the app time to sync, and contact support with screenshots and any requested account information if the issue continues. Another pattern involves expectations. Some users expect rewards simply for downloading a game or playing for a short time. Giraffe rewards eligible gameplay that meets the requirements of each offer. Reading those requirements before you begin helps you avoid spending time on activities that don't qualify. You'll also find complaints from users who didn't notice offer restrictions. Certain promotions may only apply to new installs, featured games, or specific events. If you skip those details, you may complete a game without earning the reward you expected. The biggest takeaway is that most Giraffe complaints fall into a few familiar categories: reward tracking, changing game offers, limited availability, redemption delays, and misunderstanding the offer requirements. Knowing those patterns makes it easier to use the app correctly and recognize the difference between a technical issue and a normal platform limitation. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more app reviews, troubleshooting guides, and earning tips.